can't forget. I wanna know who you are. This is what I need to know. So take my hand and let our fears go. Take me to your jungle where the rain is warm and the birds fly. Take me to your kingdom. Yeah, take me to the. Yeah, take me to the. Take me to your jungle where the rain is warm and the birds fly. Take me to your kingdom. Yeah, take me to the jungle, jungle. No words to describe your savage life. Ooh, let's give it a go like our purpose shows. I wanna know who you are. This is what I need to know. So take my hand and let our fears go. Take me to your jungle where the rain is warm and the birds fly. Take me to your kingdom. Yeah, take me to the. Yeah, take me to the. Take me to your jungle where the rain is warm and the birds fly. Take me to your kingdom. Yeah, take me to the jungle, jungle.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea, into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like another season. Like for them just a time, just like another season. You came into my life just like another season. Like for them just a time, just like another season. The seasons turn and change just like your mind. like the sun gives into the moon, into the night. Time continues marching, it slowly crawls. With each new one starting, I recall. You came into my life just like another season. Not so long, just a time, just like another season. You came into my life just like another season. Not so long, just a time, just like another season. Come my way this season.
So I'm guessing that works. Okay, so that works. NVIDIA Broadcast just decides that it doesn't want to work today. Hello, everybody. Happy clappy hands. I like those emotes. Are you trying to break the record from last time? Is that what you're trying to do? Well, that was a lot. Did you break the record? I guess we'll see after the stream. What was it last time? Print screen. Wim's one didn't work because she had an angry face in front of it. I need to change how it does it. Oh no. Where did I put it? Clips stream. Oh, there it was. Yeah, this was the last time you guys did it. Can you notice when it happened? At what point in the stream? Was it here? No. Was it over here? No. Almost 400 messages, and what was it? I think these are 30-minute intervals. Or these 10-minute intervals. Who knows? It was a lot. So how is everybody doing today? I need to fix this tower. What the hell is that? What is that? I'm excited. What are you excited for? Is your 5090 pre-ordered and arriving soon? This detail needs to be removed. It is bad. It is too much of the detail. Why is this not aligned with that? The hell's going on here? I have questions. Ooh, you got new computer parts? So what did you... Have they arrived? What did you get? What did you get, Boom? Did you get the 9950 3DX and like 128 gigs of RAM? What did you go for 196 gigs of RAM? 9900X. Ooh. How much RAM did you get? Did you get like a billion RAM? A billion? 64 gigs of RAM. 1024 gigs of RAM. 1 terabyte of RAM. Well, you shouldn't struggle as much anymore with like Unreal Engine. Well, as soon as you get your new graphics card, you'll be good to go. It's gonna be amazing. What is this? What is happening here? I have questions. I have many questions. I don't know why NVIDIA Broadcast decided to just stop working today. Why are there 2 in here? Alt H. Oh, because there's just 2 in here. Now, which one is the correct one? They look identical. Where's the statistics? I want that back on, and then I want statistics. That is 17,000 vertices. Oh no! I went to the computer shop today to switch my old desktop in for a new monitor, which I'll be using as my mom's desk. So when I have to work at home, I can work next to the doggo. Oh, nice! That'll be nice. That'll be nice. You can work next to the doggo. How's the new monitor? Is it good? Can I pet that dog? I might change this detail to something else. Is it still a thing? Because I can do that in... Yes, it is. Okay, cool. So I can delete that. So we don't need this. Delete that. Then... the world's biggest connector, yes. what are we gonna do with all this? So I need to fix what is what. And we need to clean up this whole tower. Yeah! Because then we can get with the texturing. So let's see. What are we going to start with? Start with the top. Started at the top, now we're here. So we'll isolate. And create a new collection. Looks awesome, dude. Thank you. Thank you very much. How are you doing today? Welcome in. Where's my new collection? Turret. What did I call the other one? That one. Here's turret top. Yeah, turret top, middle, and bottom. Cool. Don't save, I changed nothing. Turret, middle. It's not how you spell middle, is it? Nope. That. There we go. So first things first, what we want to do is apply a boolean to this and see what it looks like. Q bevel. That's a bit much. Actually, we want to apply bevel. Okay, so that gets really bad really fast. Nope. 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 What do we have on here? We have a mirror. So that means that we've got too many of these things that are too close together. It's not enough gap. Hey Sada, do you know the propeller on a plane is to keep the pilot cool? If it stops, you can see him start turning. Yes, I do. I'm well aware of that. So what happens in a glider then? Like, what happens in a glider? There's no propeller. Is he just hot the whole time? Q. Sharpen. Q. Gliders are saunas. Saunas of the air. That actually makes sense. So that looks worse there. This we don't need. What's the level amount we added for this? We added 0. So we make this 80. Well, that's better. The windows are open. I can just imagine that. Then someone said like the world's longest distance traveled in a glider or something. Longest distance traveled in a glider. 3,000 kilometers. That's crazy. That's insane. Apparently most gliding clubs will see their pilots complete 300+ kilometer flights on good spring and summer day. Well, some of the more high performant gliders will do 500 to 750, and this dude was just like, yeah, we'll just do 3,000 easy. Apparently, UK record is 1,180. That 20 meter wingspan glider. That's crazy. Okay, that looks better. So this will be called turret top cylinder. What do you want to call it? Cylinder. Actually, let's call it side cylinders. We can hide that. How does this look? I think there's going to be an issue of there. Why is that here? Oh, that's the connection for the pipes, right? So Q, sharpen, Q, fix the normals. This is going to be an issue on here with shading. Let's add a. Oh. There. That shows us an issue over there. Matte cap. We want. Bam. See, that's all fine. That's fine. There's just the issue on the front here. So let's go back to studio. We turn on wireframe. Wait, look at what the hell's going on over here. So it's drawing a line between there. So we turn off the power. So wait, is there actually a line here that exists? Oh, there is one. So that'll get carried over quite nicely then. I guess it's trying to not be flat. Then in that case what we can do is go back to edit mode, press that one, go like that, go like that. Let's say that one has to be Q, not sharp. Should be fun. What the hell's going on in the back here? That and that. Q off. 1 and 1. There we go. I think this is gonna have to be beveled out. Huh? Yeah, look at that. Oh, because we've got the mirror on. Weird. Something like that, but not now. Let's turn this back on, so that puts that there. Let's give it a loop cut, actually. Ooh, what the hell have I done on this? Look at how much detail is on this. That's crazy. How many polygons does he have? 350,000. Well, shit. 350,000 polygons. There's too much detail on here. This has to be a normal map, otherwise this is unusable. Unusable, I say. So how many is in this? This is... Wait, 135,000 vertices is just this? Well, I mean... That makes that easier. Okay, well, I mean, guess that makes it easier to do. Half my blade triangles are sitting in details on the bottom. And what is this one called? What the hell's going on over there? Isolate.
of a man. This is hard fucking beeping after aliens. We on top of the world, we the sapiens. Do you understand massive complication there? Do you really think you know what I'm made of? My flow is so magical, I'm old, call me Gandalf. You can shine, but I'm
Can I change? Let's change the hotkey for this. If I go to video broadcast. So Alt Z. There. Now if I hit Alt Z. Howdy, I'm going to teach in 3 minutes. But howdy. Howdy, howdy. Good luck with your teaching in 3 minutes. Thanks for stopping by. I hope your teaching goes well, Hexic. There we go. That's better.
You made a mistake, underestimating what you've taken on.
Mezu, hello. How are you doing?
I'm out of the cage.
I need to change the ratio so it matches up with those.
You're as
You're finally here. I can show you one of my towers. Where did it go? There it is. Trying to finish up an animation. How you doing? I'm doing pretty good, thank you. You seem to do a lot of work during the week, so I can understand why you're tired. I think you streamed yesterday, but by the time I came on, your stream was already over, and I was like, what? What? I think you streamed for like an hour and a half? You usually stream for like 5 hours. I was like, what is happening? Yes, show all the towers. Very well, Boom. I will show you all my towers so you can steal them again, even though you've already stolen them. Because in your Discord, I can see my towers. Look at this, Boom. Look at this. Look what I found. That's me, and you stole all my towers. Steal them again. I'm feeling pretty burnt out. You have to take a break. Maybe do something else. But yeah, these are all my towers that I'm working on. Boom steals them. Every time I show them, she steals them. But that's fine. I still need to finish this tower and send it to Boom. This one's actually been put into Substance Painter now. So we're at that point, which is exciting. I haven't done much with it other than give it like a smart material, which looks quite cool. Let's actually bring that in so you can see what it looks like. Who did I send it to last? Sick 3D modeling, thank you. It looks really cool, and then you realize that there's too many polygons and this is going to be horrible. For example, if you look at this tower, there's 356,000 polygons. And I realized that most of the detail is sitting in these little feet things. It's like 135,000 polygons in here, but that's fine because we can get this down quite a lot because, I mean, on the sides of these, I'm going to make these into normal maps, so that'll help, and then probably reduce, you know, some of these parts from having more polygons than need to be. What have I done here? Where does this part exist? Oh, because I'm using a geometry node somewhere. Where's my geometry nodes? Aha, there we go. Because I didn't want to come up with a nice way of copying the part, so I made geometry nodes to copy it and move it directly for me. Which is fun. Geometry nodes are one of those things where they're a lot of fun when you understand what they do and how they work. They're basically like, I suppose they're like blueprinting. Actually, Unreal Engine is getting geometry node scripting soon. Did it come out at 5.5 or it's still on the roadmap? But we'll soon be able to do geometry node scripting inside of the editor, which could be quite cool. I have a habit of adding way too much detail. I mean, this is a connector that I made. And the only place, okay, you do see them in a few places. They're over here. They're over here. I think they're under here. Yeah, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's a lot of them. All the details. So you're gonna stream next week, or you're gonna take a bit of a break and like chill out? Well, it looks pretty cool. Good detail. Thank you. Thank you very much. At the moment, I'm busy going through doing a bit of cleanup on all of them so that I can get them ready for a low poly cycle. I'll take you, and I want to make it so that you actually have your mirror back on. There you go. You won't stop the grind until you finish. Yeah, because you mentioned something about you wanted to have like the island that you're working on now done by like February. So you've got quite a busy schedule. 3D Addict, hello. Hyper, thank you very much for the follow. Jerry, thank you very much for the follow. All these people lurking and just following. 3D Addict is everywhere. I'm sure you know 3D Addict very well because he hangs out on your stream. So 3D Addict, what are you making today that's going to be finished within like 2 days time, and then you're going to go, oh yeah, this is what I did this week? Because yesterday you sent me this and I'm like, oh, you worked on this previously and then you're just sending them to me today, because I thought you were like doing more of your spacecraft stuff, and then 3D Addict's like, oh yeah, I just worked on this. And it's like 5,500 polygons. It's like, what? This is 5,500 polygons. And then you look at like my stuff at 350,000 polygons. You see, the trick is to take your cube and just add extra vertices. Looks so good. I love how the door is still intact. Where is it? I suppose actually at the end. The door is still intact, but half the door is actually missing. Royal Dub Gaming, thank you very much for the follow. The details are sick. Yeah, 3D Addict is insane with his level of detail. Hey Sada, yes, I'm everywhere. You are everywhere. So yeah, I'm doing some camp today. His 15 years of XP are kicking in, definitely. That industry knowledge really does show off. Making coffee, now that Edge would be better if they would let me give me more polygons. You could have more polygons. You could add like another 5,000 polygons just for that Edge, but no, you're like 5,500 max. Like 3D Addict, did you see that this one object that I have has 135,000 polygons at the moment? Whoops. Royal Dub Gaming, how are you? Club. Back to where we can turn off that. I'm doing good. You? I'm doing pretty good. Lurk a bit. Thank you very much for the lurk. If we take this, we go Q. Sharpen, Q, normal. What does that do? 3D's going so mad when he sees this. Turn on wireframe. It's too close to the edge. You know, everyone who I work with, they can tell you the same thing about me, lol. Attention to detail, high optimization, and never missing deadlines. That's impressive, the never missing deadlines thing. Because you do quality work and then you still never miss the deadlines. It's like, but how? I want to see something. If I go 9. Yeah, but not healthy. Fair enough. 1. Wait, let's see. So, how many could I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try 8. Not 89, just 8. Thank you. And we select you. Go into here. You're 36. 360 divided by 8 gives us a number that actually represents the halfway point for the number of things I have. Yay! Where did you learn Blender? YouTube. I learned it from... What was that guy's name? I can show you his videos, but he's probably going to take it down, because every time I show you them, they come off. I learned Blender through... what was his name? Let me find it. This guy. On YouTube. That way. So I just followed some of his tutorials, and that's basically how I learned it. Did I learn blueprints from videos too? Yeah, so blueprints I learned from Udemy. From Game Dev TV actually on Udemy. So Unreal Engine blueprints. There we go. So that's what I used to learn all the blueprint stuff. And then I actually learned some of their C++ from the same... They also have a C++ course. Which is pretty cool. Yeah, there's some cool things in here. There's the Crystal Caverns. The Mars Marine was a nice project to do. I enjoyed that one. I found it much more practical. The project did feel a bit unfinished. Like they said they were going to do stuff and then they kind of didn't. But it gives you a good insight into what you need to do. Do you have music? On the stream, yes. Do you not hear it? This a one-time buy? Yes. What? It's 85% off right now. Ah, yes, because it's the... What do you call it? Black Friday sale. But on PC, it's barely hearable. That's interesting. I don't know why it would be doing... Why you could hear it perfect on mobile, but not on PC. Every time you switch between the other one, I'm changing the volume just to mess with you. I just know which device you're on. All those Rapsies? Oh, Rapsies? Rapsies. I think it's Rapsies. Thank you very much for the follow. I hope you're doing well today. Oh, I need another one of these over here. What am I looking at?
What the fuck is that?
Too much detail, that's what this is. What I need to do is go out of edit mode, select this. What does this do? Does it do anything? No. I think it's just left over from something else. So we can delete that. Delete that. Turret top main barrel. I suppose it's just barrel. There isn't a secondary barrel. We need to worry about that. Then what else can we do? We can go and add it to our collection. Go back, and now we're just missing a whole bunch of stuff. Get rid of that, turn off the cutters, and we want to save our work. With that OneDrive, I open GitHub, and OneDrive has a connection request go through. Thanks, GitHub. Oh, we want the Blender folder. Oh, what have I done? Oh, I never saved my stuff from last week. Is Unreal better than Unity? It depends on what you want to do. I find it better than Unity for a few reasons. One, because I know C++ more than I know C#. And I think for making higher fidelity games, it's definitely better. Substance Painter. I can't decide which one to use. Someone didn't read the news about Unity. I see big news lately. What do you mean? Some teams lost their access to Unity for no reason. Yikes! Okay. Yeah, maybe for less legality issues, just go with Unreal. Unity blocked them. Any idea why they blocked them? Is it to do with the... Because Unity seems to be having a lot of issues with their ad system with people. Is it like related to that? They're trying to figure it out. They haven't broken any rules, so that's why they made it public. But like, the only thing I can imagine it is for is some kind of payment relating to ads or something. Like, if why else would they just decide to do that? Especially because, like, let's be honest, Unity hasn't had the best PR stuff going on with them lately. What's interesting is you can use the Fab Store now. I don't know how long you've been able to do it. I think for a while, but you can use the assets in Unity as well. So Epic Games is like, we make all these cool things, and we have the Fab Store, and now we can just like get more people to use it. If I use the Udemy thing for UE4, would it work for Unreal Engine 5? Some of the stuff would work. I'm not sure which new Unreal Engine 5 features they use. Is there any reason why you're not wanting to use Unreal Engine 5 versus 4? Like, I'm not sure if you use it for work or use it for something else. For fun. I think you'd be better off using 5 because, you know, 5 is in active development. It's now been out for 2 years. Unreal Engine 5 release. Yeah, more than 2 years. And I mean, we're already on Unreal Engine 5.5. So it's doing, there's a lot going on. There's a lot of new stuff coming out. Like, where's the roadmap? Unreal Engine 5 roadmap. But I can still use the Udemy blueprints that are made for 4. Oh yes, you could use the ones that are made for 4. There isn't much that's changed between that. But isn't that course that I linked, Unreal Engine 5, they updated for 5, didn't they? But the blueprint stuff should be basically the same. So there's new stuff coming to the Nanite. Is there? Or has this not been updated for 5.5? Oh, this is 5.0, that's why. So here's 5.5. They haven't released 5.6 yet. This is all the new stuff that came out like 2 weeks ago. Oh, looking forward, that's what we want. Forward looking. Oh, more data types? Ah, because you need PCG graphs. Yes, of course. I think the next release is going to have a lot more procedural generation and that kind of stuff, because they're releasing the geometry, basically geometry nodes then, or they're planning on giving a version of it. Yeah, some of this is already released. Chaos Flesh, what? That's terrifying. Ooh, new interaction stuff. That'd be cool. Is that not out yet? What is this? Is that a rent toggle? Update support masking, gradient, general post-processing across multiple widgets. In addition, back buffer and other resources will be exposed to improve material workflows for UI designers and developers. Well, that's cool. I'm distracted. So let's move that to empties. Move that to empties. Empties, empties. What's going on with that? Let's leave that. Let's turn the mirror off, because who knows what's going on with this. Let's turn off the wireframe for now. Let's go Q, sharpen, Q, sharpen. Much better. There's geometry at the back here, but I don't think anyone's ever going to see that. Maybe that, yes, but we don't need to have that much. Over scroll. Go into edit mode. Select that. Like that. Alt Z. GX. Oh, GY. GZ. Go. Alt Z. Turn on screen keys. So that's going to cause a bit of an issue because it needs to be deeper. What if... This might mess up everything, but let's try. Q ever scroll. GX. There we go, ever so slightly. Tyler, I got my first collaboration on my server. Nice. I saw you invited me yesterday. Can I get that edge smooth? Is there a... There is. Oh, that's what's messing with everything. Looks better. Yeah, it's much better. And we can take the knife tool again. That's not the knife tool, that's the knife tool. That one. That. Nope. Deselect everything. Back to the knife tool. Select that one. Select that one. Deselect that. Just to make it simpler, we'll do that as well. It gives us a nice clean cut for that, so let me put this back on. Boop, 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 boop. Wireframe. That. See, that kind of cleans that up nicely. Then is this, turn this off. Set that off. Select this with a Q. Oh, let's go Q, sharpen, Q, sharpen, Q, sharpen. actually don't think the subsurface modifier on here. Turret underscore top. This is side panel. I think this is actually side panel 2, to be honest with you. Yeah, it is. So F2, name that. That'll be 1. And that'll be 3. And then what I need to do is somehow. There we go. Did I select it? I did. Need that one. Let's go in there. GX.
I'm just the fuel, baby, you're the lighter. If I'm not careful, you burn right through.
Come on, you bastard.
Burning like a wildfire, dynamizer.
Oh, we have the ads, I'll be right back.
Where am I going now? Just falling over dreams. Now I'm just so far gone, this isn't what it seems. Taking me so damn long, it's fading from belief. I need to slow this down, it's burning from beneath. Can't break this light, it's full of tomorrow's eyes. Holding on for what is worth my life. And all inside, I'll make it up the void. Find my way to giants in the sky. Tonight it comes to life.
Damn bubbles. It's cold. I don't like the cold. I wanted to remove this actually. I want to come out of edit mode. I want to edit this. And we added this whole like thing with shit tons of detail, which I kind of don't want. Actually, leave it on the hind poly. We'll remove it from the poly. Why is it lagging? Something wrong that shouldn't be running again. When you open Task Manager and it's using 80% of your CPU, you're like, what? Marius, are you there? What are you doing? Are these images the same? I think they are. Spot the difference.
I'm nervous on the surface, I look fine. My brain feels heavy, my traumatized mind. And I'm so tired, I can't feel my eyes. Whoa,
Whoa.
I'm petty, but I know how to lie. I feel feelings that I can't describe. I'm not breathing, but I'm still alive.
I've returned from lunch. Welcome back from your lunch. How was your lunch? What did you have for lunch, sir? I thought this voice was random for a second. Good. Did you have salmon again? Or did you just have fish or garlic bread? That sounds pretty good, actually. That sounds pretty good. Salmon this evening. Of course. I'm actually going to a Thanksgiving dinner tonight, so I have to end the stream early, which I'm quite excited for. I've never been to a Thanksgiving dinner.
So many days have passed. I wait around for things to change, but change has not come fast. I'm asking all the questions, but then I question them. Like, what's the point of living, existing when you can see a God in flesh? I'm looking for the answers.
I would bevel all of these, to be honest with you.
I think I'll find them one day, but with a helping hand. I know that it's not easy, but I believe I will. Yeah, I'll get over all my
Salmon and octopus and more fish. That sounds really good, actually. Let's undo that. Do 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 do. can I make this a bit smoother? Could subdivide it. Decision. This piece lags with all of this stuff on here, actually. It's 9,000 triangles. Because look how high detailed these screws are. It's just all different pieces. This should be moved already because we're done with that one. Then this should just be a simple edge. That. Q sharp and Q sharp. See? Nice and smooth. Ah, there we got a nice smooth edge now. Are these mirrored? Those are mirrored, but those aren't. Turret top cable connector. Cable connector 1. Cable connector 2. And I guess this is rename cable 1. You hear chop my hand off from coming from the other room. You're like, what? This is not straight. I actually think it's better that it's not straight, so we're gonna keep it like that. This is cable connector 2. This is cable connector 3. Then, Tamjek, how is your game coming along? Because you submitted your Game Jam game, which means you should be done with that, which means you should now be able to work on your game. No more excuses. If I create something that potentially has no issues, what? How is that even possible? If I bevel this, what happens? It shits a bed. Is this mirrored? It is. Okay, so we need more than those two edges. We need this edge and this edge. Actually, you're doing this wrong. X, dissolve edge. X, dissolve edge. Working on game. On my game. Yeesh. I'm glad to hear that you're working on it. I'm keen to finally see some progress. Some progress. X, dissolve edge. Now, you can bevel this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7's more of a lucky number, so we'll go with 7. What about that? Then we can Q, sharpen, Q. Oh no, wait, Q. Oh, shit. Which one do I want? It's Alt Shift. Yeah, Control Shift, Q, sharpen. Look how smooth that is. I could have done it better myself. Wait, I did do it myself. Makes no sense. Oh no! Something's wrong here. Ah, because this is not cut through, it doesn't know that this needs to be a sharp, so we have an edge that makes literally no sense, because it's both straight and turning. Wait, what's going on if I select this? Go scroll. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. Don't worry about it. You can cut it in half if you want. Didn't really help. I think once we apply this, we'll be able to fix the geometry, so we'll sort that out when we sort that out. But that looks nice. It is smooth. No idea how that attaches, but you know what? Let's not ask those kinds of questions. What does it look like with the rest of this attached? Absolutely terrifying. Actually, in fact, there's no reason for that to be shaped that way. That makes sense, yes. But like, look at it from the front. You never see that edge. So why is it cut that way? I mean, in fact, what you should probably, if you really want, you could scale it. Scale Z. So like that. To me, that makes no sense because. Wait, does it poke out this side here? Ah, it pokes out here, so you'd see it there, which is why we've done that. Fine. Whatever. I think doing it this way reduces the number of polygons by like some amount. Because you don't need an edge here, so... Yeah, it removes basically the solid line on this side. And then just replaces it with that. Okay, fine. Whatever. Fine. Turret top, not cable. This would be main base support. So top, so support. M, top, hide. Hide the cutters. Rename. Cable connector. So paste. Oh wait, sweet. So paste that. And I think we need 4. F2. Yep, 4 seems to be valid. Though... That's a cable, not a cable connector. Hellcat, is the game going to be top-down? First person? It's kind of top-down-ish, not full top-down. So, where's an image? I have no images of what it will look like. I have that one, you can't really see. Like this perspective. Whoop. So that's what you would see. Maybe a little less of a... less high, more down. So rotate it back a few degrees. That is the plan. So you are cable connector 1, cable connector 2. Okay. How are you doing today though, Hellcat? This is not a cable connector, this is just a cable. So there's cable 1. C. Cable 2. Cable 3. Good, glad to hear. It's good to hear. So that's 1. That's 2. F2C. That's 3. And that should be all of them. Then M, move to the top. Hide everything we have so far. More C++ debugging today, gonna be fun. Nice! That's exciting. What are you trying to fix today? So this will be cable connector. How many do we have? Cable connector, I think 4. Is it 4? We already have some. Yeah, that can be 4. So that can then be moved to bottom, actually middle. And the pipe is the main connection between the two. It's a pipe! Sniper, it's a pipe. Well, it's a cable or pipe, whatever, same thing, right? It's because this is my pipe tower, it just has pipes everywhere. I don't know why, I just decided to put them there. This is cable number... This will be cable 3. I mean cable 4 technically. Top cable 4, and this one is its own one, so this will be top cable 5. Merge, send that to the middle, or the top, send it to the top. Invalid index in an array for some reason, I don't know yet. Ooh, that's always fun. Usually when I get those, it's because I constructed the array or the thing that the array indexes incorrectly. Like, my logic for how many things should be in the array and how many things are actually in the array don't match. Because why not? Ooh, I need another connector over here. I'm missing one. I'm actually missing one here. I need to create like a something over here for this to make a bit more sense. But like, should this be connecting to the feet? Should this connect like somewhere else? So maybe this connects to like... Maybe the question is, what does it look like without it? Which we can check. So let's go like this. Let's put it back to studio. Then we're gonna go and name this, because this is bottom. So cable 5, we've got cable 5, so this will be cable 6. So this would be, well actually no, because this is on a new one, so it can be its own one. So this could just be turret bottom cable 1. Actually, I don't want these to be 1. I need them to be a different number. How many cables do I have? Other than too many. So this is 12. So I have 12. So this will be 13 and 14. 13 F2 copy, F2 paste 14. Then we get merge, we send it to the bottom, send it to the bottom. F2 cable connector, X, cable connector 1 and 2, oops, 1, M, bottom, shift 2, where are you, you wee bastard? Two. Fantastic. Move that to the bottom. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to enable the bottom, the middle, and the top. And the question is, if we disable all the cutters, actually disable the inserts, we can't do that. Do I like it as a factor of without the... It adds a bit of character to have it, but it needs to connect, I think, a bit better. So let's go like this. Take a photo. Put that mirror over here at the bottom, then do the same for that. Should have selected the same thing every time.
I'm stuck on the highway, it's been a while. I'm late to the party, you already started the sparkling wine. I need to find a spark to keep me from the dark. I'm looking for a
It does look clean without it though. Because having the random like cable that connects from the bottom to the top, I don't know, it kind of just makes no sense. Did I ever add that detail? I did. See, if it connects to something like that, it could make a bit more sense. So if I make it run and then connect in there. Let's give that a try quickly. So if I enable this, because what if this comes down and then it just kind of runs along here and then into there? So 7 Shift D GX. When I'm appending array to a set, so they shouldn't have duplicates. Sets have to have unique ones. You can't have that each element in a set should be unique. Or at least the key for a set should be unique, shouldn't it? Because a set is a more complicated data structure where it kind of sees if something already exists. So I don't think you can have duplicates in a set. Let me check. That's why I'm doing it, to remove the duplicates. Yeah, do it that way. Like, are you converting an array to a set just to remove duplicates, or using it for something else? Because you can just remove duplicates from an array. Because sets, and you're not doing network replication, are you? Because you can't do that with sets. Because you would have to convert the set to an array of sorts and then push the data and then convert it back into the set. That's like the only way you can do network replication with it. That, and I think maps you can't send over the network because they've got a more complicated data structure. So Shift D, G, X. Rotate X 90. G to 11. Control Shift C, create a cable. Click. Click. Scale. More. A little more. Then what I would do is go into edit mode. How do you add more things? Because what I want to do is actually move this down to like there. Move this down. It's like that. Let's move it like there. Move this one out. I want it just resting. We can make it rest in the back there like that. Let's see. Add or edit segments. Edit cable. The set is temporary. To assemble and clean indices, I want to remove from a vector array. I want to remove indices from a vector array, okay, but for some reason it gets wrong indices in the process. Because wait. Yeah, so sets are, you won't have guaranteed order because it reorders it for you. So you can't, I think you can't specify the order that you want it to be in a set like you can with an array. Because it gets hashed, it puts it in a way that it finds, like, I think optimal or something. I think your best bet is, depending on where the vertices are in the, well, you might want to loop through the array and just either remove duplicates, or you'll have to write a function that compares basically like A to B. Oh wait, I know the bug. Oh, progress. Mesh and the curve. Wrong object selected for the thing. To create a segment, select a mesh or a curve. I have the mesh. What are you talking about? I'm not removing in reverse, so the indices get shifted. Yes. Yes, you're correct. I know what you mean. I do that, then I go like that, then I'll open Obsidian to get all my bloody controls for the stupid thing. Because I loop over the set to remove all indices in it from the vector array. Because what's happening is every time you do that, it shifts the order for what's in there. Yes. Oh, I know what I think I know what you're doing. I've done that a lot. And you sit there and you're like, why? And you're like, oh, it actually makes sense. Whoops. G increases the resolution. So if I go Control Shift C, create a cable, select there, select there, scale it down, then 0.1, 0.2, create another, X for wireframe, full cap, add point G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, enter. Then let's go X, turn off wireframe, select it, go into edit mode. That actually worked. Nice. So G, well shit. Okay, so select this one, select this, move it out like there. Then this one, which looks so poo-poo, comes down here. You need to move down there. You need to move to like there-ish. Then we can select you, move you to about. Because I feel like you want. You want to look disgusting. Is basically what you want to do. Let's go from the other side so we can get a bit more of these. This we can come to like there-ish. I think we need more vertices up here, so you can move up to there, you can move to there, you there, you over there. We want that side to go up, so that you're nice and straight. You need to go up like that, so you're nice and straight. We can move you a bit. Just make it look like you're resting over there. You need to move you down. You can move you there. You need to push out a bit like that. You also just kind of push out. Go. I want to start hanging like that. So there. But we want it to like you hang over there. We want to assume like someone tucked this cable in nicely over there. Let's see, can we get it tucked in? I think we can.
I was so sure of our love. I never thought of any reason, a doubt about us, and now I'm right back at the start. Halfway through a bottle, baby, and nothing
Kind of be keen to like push this one actually behind there. Is that? Okay, so it's gonna have to come out a bit. There we go. So the cable goes and it runs around the back like that. Move there. So I had to do a reverse for the loop. I often forget about that. I do that all the time. Also, I feel like because I do loops the forward way so much that when I actually have to do it the reverse, it feels so unnatural.
And you know how to forget all the wrongs and every reason why we've changed. And there's a storm inside my head. It's getting me in trouble, baby, and I can't break away. I thought that I could keep it low. Take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before. So take it easy, take it easy. I thought that I could keep it low. Take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before. So take it easy.
I think that looks better. That looks like there's a bit of a purpose there, you know? Just to connect it to like this thing. We could actually connect it there and then have it like, we cut a groove in here and have this thing flow out. So, but wait, what part is moving? Because isn't this... This is what moves, right? Yeah, so you can't do that. So let's say we delete... We tempted to delete all of this, to be honest. So delete that, delete that, delete that, delete. But then you still get your pipe. Your one pipe. That being said, this needs to actually be a bit more centered.
Breaking down when you said you got me. I'm used to being let down, but I'm hoping if I'm falling too fast, then you'll catch me.
Now I'm wondering if I should have made it more pipes.
So I'm sorry.
Me and my bloody pipes.
You might have to see I'm not flawless. I promise that I'm facing my problems. If I'm falling too fast.
In technically, I could add like more pipes there. You said you can remove duplicates from array. Does it look like there's a function for that? I know the add unique though. So for removing duplicates from an array, it depends on the data you're using. But essentially, you can use a sort function to do it. So, because you essentially compare the value that you currently have with the next value and then see if they are the same. So you've got std sort and you've got std unique. So
I'm so afraid that you'll run out of patience. Trust me, I know how it feels to be hopelessly waiting. Sometimes I don't know
where is
if
it?
I can even change.
Mark down and remove the pattern of things. This is so hard to look at.
So I'm sorry that you might have to see I'm not flawless. I promise that I'm facing my problems. If I'm falling too fast, will you catch me? Will you catch me before?
Also, thank you for the new follow. I hope you're doing well today. So you got this SD Unique, which you can use. But like, depending on the type of data you've got, so you might have to, like, if you've got a vector, actually compare the three, because I don't know if it does that for you.
Hello there.
Hello, Maggie. How are you doing today? And then you've got, what are the what ones do you have? Ew, what did I do? How did your stuff go this week, Maggie? I saw you working on an elevator at some point. Mags. Good. Tempting. That's good to hear. I'm still undecided about this pipe. I'll keep it in for now, but I might remove it. I'm chilling. That's good. Can I remove that? Yes, I can. Then we can rename this to... Whoops. That's not how you spell 2. Chilling right now. How are you doing? Oh, no. Oh, no. It's not touching. Dreading baking more textures in Blender later. Oh. UV unwrapping is never fun. Which add-ons do you use for UV unwrapping? So I was recently introduced to, like, you need to go to the bottom. Disgusting. Oh, whoops. There we go. UV unwrap. Excuse me, can I please have my UV menu back? Oh, I messed up. View. Where's view? Oh, I need to click this button. That's why. UV editor. There we go. I use QBake, Quick Baker, but the price for the add-on has skyrocketed since I bought it for like €8. Now it's like 32. Damn. That's a lot. So I use Zen UV, which I find quite nice. UV squares is really good for getting like circle stuff straight. So like take this, like this one. UV can, oh, I haven't added any seams, so it won't work, but that, let's go with that and that Q, and right click mark seam, then we can go 3. I guess we just select the island. Oh, we need to give it a seam over here. Why not? Where is it? Where are you? Mark seam. 3L. UV. Oh no, it's just UU. That's what we want. So this actually came out nice and straight for once, which is good. Which I find is quite nice. Then there was like, so UV squares to make things nice and straight. Zen UV is quite nice for, what did I use Zen UV for? Oh yeah, Zen UV we use for marking when stuff is finished, so Alt U, mark tag finished, or the quadrify, which is another way of sharpening things, and then UV pack master, so you can get as much like stuff. Life hack, print screen your model, then unwrap from view, rebake textures. Boom, no. Can't be giving out all the secrets. But yes, everyone that I've spoken to is like, UV modeling is caca. Well, UV unwrapping. Skylar! Hello, Purple Duff. How's your stuff been going? Oh, speaking of which, you need... Ugh, apparently you need lag is what I get. We need another one of these. Here we go. A right click. Clear seams. It's autocorrect. Oh no. How do I reverse loop over a set? Over a set? Doing good. I'm now sending a pre-alpha build to buddies. I was gonna see if you're interested. Sure. Please do. You have to convert it to array first. What about if you did R begin and then used R end? So you use like you use an iterator. So where is it? Where's the thing I just showed you? I'll get you on Discord later. Nice. Not render, R end. You should be able to use this on your set. So R end. R and set C++, and then you can just kind of do a normal loop. So you go like, you set it to your beginning, then you set it to not equal to their end, and then you plus plus plus, and that should be, and then you should be able to reverse it like that. What's this stuff? This is the C++ stuff that you're going to be learning soon, Boom. When Marius does his C++ course for you. We're going to teach you the ways. The ways! Don't be scared, just let it happen. It's going to be good for you. You're going to become a C++ master. But why? Efficiency, I don't know. So you can have all the delegates in your project, just literally all the delegates, and you can have files that just have like 52 delegates for everything. Runs away in C++. Don't be scared of C++, it is the way. Okay, I'm gonna try that. Cool. Everyone's very scared of C++. What's the delegate? Delegate is the, how do we explain a delegate without scaring Boom? So a delegate is that thing that Marius added to your project that then bricked your project for 45 minutes because something went wrong. But that's not the delegate's fault. A delegate is like a thing that you can call in your code. You remove that. No. Oh. The delegates are like, it's like, what's it? Subscribe. Is it called a subscriber model? It's a way of where you can call stuff from other stuff by like subscribing specifically to that stuff. I had to remove it to go into 5.5. Why did you have to remove it to go into 5.5? I have them in my project. I have hundreds of them in my project. You should have let it know, Boom. You should have let us know. You would have fixed it. Quick. But doesn't that mean some of your functionality for your stuff broke then, if you removed it? Your project won't compile because of delegates, but delegates are like... But Unreal Engine uses delegates all over the place. I can remake it though. You can. Have you started putting your stuff on source control yet, Boom?
murder. Go crazy, berserker. I killed it. It's murder. Go crazy,
Where are all my delegates?
berserker. I killed it.
TD
Go crazy,
game mode.
berserker.
See, look, there's a delegate. So the game mode subsystem has all my delegates.
I killed it. It's murder.
TD game mode. So here we go. This is literally all my delegates. So we have one for when wave starts. So if something needs to know about when the wave starts, it can just subscribe to that and then it will do stuff. Wave end, level win, level lose, enemies added, localization update. That's just cheating because that just tells the UI that it needs to now reload its stuff. I like what I use Git for, just a way of backing up my dev files essentially. Well, it's one, backing up your game files, and two, where is it? You can also see changes that you made previously, because if you connect Git to Unreal, does that cost money? Not GitHub. GitHub is free, but I don't know with Boom's project size. I just copy paste my project as a backup. You see, the problem with copy pasting your project as a backup is you don't get a change list of what you did. So if my project ever loads, I'll show you 60 gigs. I remember everything I did. Everything you did in every file and what changes you made to that file. Like, I'll show you now what it looks like when you use it. One brain cell. Well, that's impressive. Because ideally, Boom, for your projects, if it's 60 gigs, you really need that to be like, do you at least have a backup that is not on your home computer or in your house? Because that's the other thing, is you need to make sure that if, like, the amount of hours you put into your project, there needs to be stuff that is outside of your house. How often do you back up your stuff, Maggie? Are you doing it like daily, hourly? Because I'm going to show you now one of the big reasons why I use it for Unreal Engine, and yes, for blueprints as well. I have a hard drive in a protective case. What? Is your hard drive fireproof, waterproof, electromagnetic proof, and protected against if your entire house suddenly disappears? Is it? No. Boom! Don't make me send you free storage, online storage to back up your project. I will do it. But if that happens, I have bigger problems. True, but then when you get a new computer, you can carry on and have to start again. GitHub, get it, girl, get it. Oh, my project takes so long to load now. No angry faces. Do it, Boom. You've got to have an offsite backup of your stuff. I'll even send you like a 1 terabyte OneDrive link that you can just put it on if you want, and then you'll have it in the cloud, so that way you'll always have access to it. Besides, how are you meant to sit on the bus and edit your project? How much does it cost? The OneDrive I can give you 1 terabyte of OneDrive for free, because I have 5 terabytes of OneDrive. Stretch. Thank you, Maggie, for the stretch. Unreal is opening, it just takes a while. You're welcome. How fast is your internet, Boom? If it's just a couple of dollars a month, I can do it. Because you've got like multiple choices. So like, you could use version control software, which would be better. but like OneDrive pricing, because I pay for Office 365, I get OneDrive storage. Basic gives you how much storage? I'm saying this noting that my project isn't on here because my project's on GitHub. Where'd you hear that? Doesn't GitHub steal your code and use it for Copilot or whatever you opt out of? I don't know what they do, but you can't do that with blueprints because it's binary files. So let's open a blueprint. Let's open the HUD blueprint, for example. So if we open my HUD blueprint and it doesn't compile, we ignore that. You click diff. That's how many changes I've made to this file. I've made 37 changes. So if we go to, let's say, revision 30 and go, what did I do? It comes here and it tells me that on that change, I made a change to the update function, which I should be able to see. Boop, boop, boop. You can see all the things that I did. There we go. So in this change, I added this new thing, this new button click event where I got get game. I cast to the game mode and I called some function, which now apparently no longer exists. Microsoft has acquired GitHub for that reason. Microsoft has acquired GitHub for integration into their systems. OneDrive, GitHub plus source control. You want GitHub will be source control, but you want either OneDrive backup if you'd rather just keep copying and having a backup that way. I'd still say you'd want to do source control so you can do stuff like this, like, oh, I added this function and that's why it broke, or I changed like parameter variables. So if you have one, I didn't change any in this one. You can go back and have a look and see, oh, I changed this parameter amount, this value. Where's another one? Where would I have changed like a lot of stuff? BP game mode. So in this one, if you go to the diff, there's 60 revisions to this file. So if we go back to like, what was the 20th revision? So those are all the changes I've made since then. I've added more variables. I've added enabled towers, which is an array that can keep track of all of that. The event graph, that's every change that I made to the event graph. So for example, we went and we removed this stuff from up here at the top. Because I changed all of this and I reordered it so that it was actually cleaner. So you see, now it's all pretty. What else did we do? We removed this output link. I mean, it even records that link was recorded. And that could be useful for when you come back and you go, why does this no longer work anymore? And you're like, and you realize I forgot to connect that again. Oh, here you go. I changed this delay from 2 seconds to 0.2 seconds. It's a cached undo, but how long can you cache the undo for? Like, how many times can you undo? Because I can go back to the first. Because I have all the revision, I can go back to the first implementation of this. Why? Give me the first one. Give me it. Give me. No, fine. Give me the second one. Right, it's all saved. The 8th one. There we go. So this was the change that I made on the 4th of February, like basically a year ago at this point. That's super cool. You can see I did a lot of work on this day, apparently. So this is everything that I've done. I added fines, class settings. I changed the parent. So I reparented this from parent class, which was just game mode based, to my new TD game mode base that has all my delegates in. So this is every single change that I've made since the 2nd of February. Which is cool. Added a new function called update wave count. I deleted this one. I moved begin play. Begin play was empty because there was nothing. And look, I added all my delegates. These are all my delegates. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lose the glasses. Why would you do this to me? So if you want me to help you find a solution, boom, just let me know. But you've got to have either, like, put it on GitHub, something like that, or put it on the cloud somewhere. Because also, what if you get ransomware on your computer, like tomorrow, and then you plug in that drive, and suddenly you've got ransomware on your drive? Then you lose your computer, all the stuff on your computer and that drive. I think it's only if you use GitHub Copilot that it uses the code, not sure. You have to opt in to allow, when you set it up, they give you they ask you, would you like to opt in to better the thing, and then they can use your code to improve their system and improve the generation that it gives you. Close that, close that, close that. Yeah. Ooh, why is that so fast? You want to see a sneak peek of something that no one's seen yet? I'll show you very quickly. If I can find it, because Tem told me to take my glasses off, so now I can't see. The one. That's not it. What? How rude. How rude. Default assets. No. Do not save that. Look at this. Bam. Alt P. Not that one. He started doing things. I can't anything either. You can't look anything either? That's weird. When you change the grid size, it just scales the shit out of that. Don't worry about that. Look. I should go put in my contact lenses. I'm paranoid about my code getting leaked to back it up on the cloud also. I need to get breakfast session. Nice, nice, nice. That is a valid fear, yes. But I, like, for myself, I'm more paranoid that I lose all of this. And I mean, by that same vein, I should probably back up this somewhere else. What you can do, interestingly enough, if you open your project, if you've done like source control, you'll notice there's this file called git properties. You'll see it's quite big because my project's been going on for a while. So if you back up this with that and you open it in a full program that has a git, like a git front end or just uses git, it'll keep all your changes. You said the word. Did I? Man, uni work is kicking my ass. Why? How was you teaching? That was a long session, wasn't it? Close everything. Delete it all. You convinced me. I'm going to back up my project today. What? Whoops. Whoops. Hello, Braxton. How are you? Why is Hexic saying Hexic? I mean, tempting. What is going on here? I'm well. I'm glad to hear that you're well. I didn't manage to catch your stream yesterday, unfortunately. I'm not even sure if you did stream. I was out. Actually, I was out on Thursday. I was out on Friday. I'm going out later today. I'm going to a Thanksgiving dinner. I did not stream. Oh. Well, that is good for me because it means I didn't miss your stream. Are you streaming today? Am I allowed to put my lookers back on?
Mirrors on the wall, staring back at me, stranger in the hall.
Let's inspect. It was the day after holiday, and I took a personal day. Fair enough. I'm going to a properties. You'll see it's quite big. I said you'll see. Fine, Hexic. Such a keen ear. Fine, fine, fine. I hear. I'll stream today making the game manager. Nice. I'll try a new title structure for the stream. Oh? What title structure? I'm both hot and cold. It's really weird. Tempting, did you like complete all the rewards already? One a to the power of 3, which is just a to the power of 3. So a to the power 3, b to the power 3. Complete the rest. Okay. Refunded booms. Thank you. I have to find NXYZ. Annoying as fuck. NXYZ, but they're using A, B, and C. What do you mean? Exactly. What the hell? Or do they mean you've got to find A, B, and C? Because what? So that's A to the power of 3, B to the power of 2, and then C to the power of 1, which is just C, isn't it? Then the whole thing to the power of 2, and then I think when you put things in, they get added, not multiplied or something. I can't remember what the trick is. So it's what? A to the power of 5, B to the power of 4, and C to the power of 2? And then multiply that whole thing by whatever the fuck that thing is, and then that again. Well, the last one is just itself, or does it get raised to the power? The coefficients and shit. I know what we do, we got like this. Based on ChatGPT. It's thinking. It gave me 233,000. No, 23,328 divided by C dot A to the power of 17. It shat the bed, basically. Oh. Actually, I think the answer might be A to the 17, B to the 12, and C to the 19. Unreal T set does not have reverse iterator. I'm just going to convert it to an array. Oh, great. I did the logarithm in my head. Help. I need help. Yes, you do. I just don't know where to send the help. Other than everywhere. Have you tried calling 999? I'll be alright. I have returned. I need help for anyone who tries to calculate login before, you know. Oh, yes. I don't miss that. It's nothing against logarithms. No, it is. No, it is.
Now to strike.
Middle, go away. The hell's that for? I try to find the point between two intersecting lines, but when I do it, it ends up with a point nowhere near the inner lines. Oh shit. Do you have like a formula or an explanation, Bentec? Thank you. Who are you hosting? Why are you hosting? Where are you hosting? Oh, you try to type ghost.
Say I'm good-hearted, but I'm just getting started. Got my eyes on the target.
You have two lines with two outer points. Yes. I have another line with two outer points. Yeah. Code should A, check if they intersect, B, at what point? Okay.
Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling
Holy fuck, this thing is complicated.
they'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. They say I'm dangerous 'cause I broke all their cages. No, I won't sit and take it. No, no. They let me for dead, I guess I'll never learn. Every time I
Denominator is equal to x1 minus x2. y3, 4. Don't you usually take x2 minus x1 for those kinds of things and x4 minus x3? And it's confusing the outer.
Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause
I could probably help you with it later if you need.
they'll be
Ew.
calling me,
There's a very quiet room.
they'll be calling me royalty.
Jesus Christ, it's hot.
They'll be calling me royalty.
Hello, floating hand. The terrifying floating hand of the east. Q sharpen. Q sharpen. The floating hand never confuses me, amazes me. I have possibly a math problem that I need to run past you then later, Hexoc. If you want another one. What was the answer to this? It was... Oh, I know what we do. We go like this. Do you hear this version before of the Devil? Did not hear this. What? I did not hear this version before of Devil. Oh, Devil in a red dress. You know what's interesting? Maggie's going to lurk to ignore reality for a while with Baldur's Gate 3 again. Enjoy! Bye, Maggie. Thank you for stopping by. Enjoy your Baldur's Gate 3. You know, so tempting. I now get adverts on what is that thing called? Instagram for like these type of songs in playlists, and I'm like, yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. I need to change you. You need to go down to 30. There we go. 25. Fantastic. I get ads about adopting otters or an elephant. How do you adopt an elephant? Man, how much space do you have there? I don't know about you, but my backyard would not fit an elephant, mostly because I don't have one. One piece at a time. I need to take this piece. GX, Z, Y. Just bring it out just a touch. Nope. Bring it in a touch. Nope. This piece is too complicated. You donate money, you get to know info about the elephant. Oh, okay. Does that mean you also can't donate, adopt an otter? Is that what they're trying to tell you? Is it a different elephant per person? Not in Europe. Yeah, that's definitely what I want. How do you know it's about that elephant? They just keep making it up. Well, you don't, I guess. Only Japan allows it, as far as I know, if I recall. Definitely not looks up. Uh-huh. Good morning, Josh. How are you doing today? Very soft today. Seven. I should make it pause my Spotify music when it does that, and then resume it. It should, like I have. But you're using like a custom system, you know? You're using custom system. And me. What? I could also just sort the set by descending order, so I remove the biggest indices first. Could do that. And you, yes. So that makes everything sharp, which is not good. 26 is what we want.
Come and set me free.
How many polygons are these? 1,800. Fantastic. Just what I want. These are all rings, they are. I could probably go through and like clean this up, because if this has... it needs to convert it to a mesh. Shit. Fantastic, just what I want. Do I have to set this whole object? Bruh. Each one of these is a separate one. Let's hide that. Well, shit, this is gonna take a while. Let's go like that. That. Alt Z. Cancel. Alt plus Z. Selection mode is that. Just select all of them. Go into isolation mode. Yeah, isolation mode, Alt Z. Then let's take the outside of each one. Oh, what are we gonna call this? It's called, we'll start left to right, so I wonder if we need these middle ones. Give me a second. I guess, but I need to see if I can simplify it down a bit. It's not gonna. This is not gonna bake well. Give me shit. Alright, let's name the whole things. Go to the side. Alt Z. Nope. Alt Z. Select that. Round thing detail. Let's call it round detail 1. Round When you give it parts around detail, detail 1, part 1. Enter. 2. 3. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. M at the middle. And height. Figuring. F2. This 1, 2. F2. 2. 2. F2. 3. 3. No, 2. Fuck's sake. 3, 2. F2. 4, 2. He wants you to simplify this. Log x minus 4%. Oh, bruh. Yeah, good luck with that. Middle. 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 Right. Single ring on its own. F2. This is going to be 3. Part 2, 3. Top. 4. This is 3, 3. 4, 3. Alright, so that one. That one. That one. That one, so it's 1. 2. 3. 3 acres. 4 acres. M, middle. This ring. So this is going to be 4. 2, 4. 3, 4. 2. 4, 4. That one. That one. Shit. That one. M, no, M. Middle. Shit, that gave me another 2 pieces. Okay, same kind of looking one. 5. 6, enter. I actually did that earlier in my code because of the same bug. Oh. At least you're figuring it out now. Small one. Six. Same bug, but 1 year ago. Why do we get things Sag? Since you get to have the experience of what's the word? Refiguring it out again. Otherwise, I mean, life would be so boring if you just remembered everything, right? I think you probably get quicker at doing it though, so let's be honest. So maybe that helps. I think it's this. You sure? Why would it be x to the power of 2 minus 24? Wouldn't it just be x to the power of minus 22? Even 4 minus, right? Wouldn't it be x to the, so x to the power of 4 minus... Wouldn't it just be this? X to the minus 2 minus x. There you go, that's my answer. God damn it. What number are we on? Part 7. Eight.
Hey, Mr. Bully, won't you just see right through me? On the
No.
dying days when I ask for forgiveness.
Nats. No. Shit. Oh, fuck it. M.
When you push me out of my
M.
own head where everything made
M and M. Okay, the big one. F2, paste. 9, Control C, enter. You know what, just M that one. Okay. Part 2. M. F2 thing. 3. Actually, if I simplify it like this, then I can remove the logs. But you could have removed the logs anyway, couldn't you? Because the log of x minus 4 and the log of x minus 6 is just two different numbers. So that's a and b. So x minus 4 can be simplified as... So the log of x minus 4 can be simplified as a, the plus the log of x minus 6 can just be simplified as b. And then you know that that is equal to 4 times the log of a plus b. No. No, a times b. So it would so wouldn't your simplified version just be x minus 4 times x minus 6 is equal to x to the power of 4, because you can remove the log from all of them and then multiply it in? Divide, but yes. But yeah, divide by x, log. Because if you divide everything by log, then you think, because I can remove the log, it goes to a divide instead of subtract. So if you remove the log, that's your answer, isn't it? This is 10. This is 4. That's save. M. Middle. Oh, finally done. Nope. That's 3, and that's that. M. Middle. Hooray! What is the answer, Hectic? What's the answer? It doesn't tell you. Oh. Holy shit. Wait, does this actually even do anything? Okay, hold on. Round. Let's go like this, go like this, go like this. Unhide everything. Like this. Actually already in things. Where'd my new collection go? Why do you keep putting it in there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Bruh. Oh, 1. Why is that turret middle? Part 3. There you go. Much cleaner. Now, if we unhide this, this exists as a piece, right? Ooh, look at that. Bounce. That'll bake actually quite well, so it's fine. Will it? Yeah, actually fine. Ooh, we didn't look at this, did we? Why is the mirror not working? Whoa. How did you move that over? How can the 1 to the power 4 be moved over to the left-hand side? And shouldn't... Huh? I'm confused, because x minus 4 times x minus 6, wouldn't that be divided by x to the power of 4? Not the first one's divided by x minus 4, not the second one. Because maths is stupid. Because you have x minus 4, then x... God damn it. X minus 6 is equal to x to the 4. Then if you move that over and you divide it by x to the 4, I'm back. And my Christmas decoration... Added my Christmas decorations EP. Ooh, exciting. So the x to the 4. Wouldn't that just be x minus 4? Control Z. X minus 6 divided by x to the 4. Because you've got the divide like in here. And then you can have your log or whatever you want. That's it. Zoom out and erase. And that's how you erase fast as fuck. I heard like Christmas songs on the radio yesterday. I was like, ooh, this is already out. Something's wrong with my tower. There is some stuff missing. So that's missing and that's missing. Oh, because it's the way I've done the mirror, isn't it? I'll take this off. Is it? Is it? Hold on, if I go here and object edit mode. Wait, go back, go back. Because A is equal to B. A minus B is equal to 3. You love Christmas the most? Mirror's not replying. A is B, left is right, B is right. But isn't A equal to B divided by A? Because if you look at it as x minus 4, x minus 6, x minus 4 is equal to A, x minus 6 is equal to B. That means that x to the power of 4 is A times B. But maybe I'm confused and you're confusing me and I'm confusing you, and it's just two confused people. Boom's taking notes. Boom's gonna do math. Boom can solve it for us. That's the answer. Why is it not copying my booleans? What the heck? Oh, maybe because I need to do it in that order? No, you just hate me. Okay. You need to go up there. These are not in order. You need to go up there. That's fine. Why is it x to minus 3 now? This was the one. This is the other equation, by the way. Oh, okay. I'm solving my breakfast right now. Sorry. No problem. Boom, no problem. Gamian. Gamian? Is that up? Yeah, I'm just gonna mix that up. Oh, Meowdy. How are you doing today? Which is x minus 3 to the power, well, times x plus 6. What? Oh, it's another equation altogether. Never mind. I was about to say, like, you're just making up stuff, aren't you? We need to lower the shading on this to 30. There we go. I can't solve that. Too many things that aren't numbers. You just gotta add a substitution. Just throw something in there, like a carrot. So it's just, if you have 3 carrots and you minus, if you have like a carrot and then you minus 3 from the carrot, and then you multiply that by a carrot to the power of 6. No, the carrot to the power of minus 6, I guess. This is actually called support front. Support front. Ah, right. That makes sense. Math. Math is fun, isn't it?
Head down the highway side, cold wind, but it feels right. With you, I'm heavy breathing. Feels like I'm lucid dreaming. I'm not usually the type to rush into the night. This time I can't be speeding. I'm taking it slow.
That did not do what I want. Q mark. NM 1.0, 1.0. Good. Then you look horrible. Absolutely horrible. What is the shade? Should be 30 as a start. See, the issue is that this will get fixed. What the hell did I do here? Yeah, this should be going more around. Why is it just stop? Have a scroll. Holy shit, it's a big circle.
I'm taking it slow, but I just want more. I'm taking it slow, just go with the flow.
45? Oh no, it goes that way. This is not good. So 40 is what I want. Actually, no, because if I go... I only get 59 on the quiz. Damn, if you're only getting 59, I don't even want to attempt it. 42. That's 2 there. Where's the center for this? Turn off the array. Oh, it's that way? Does that mean my thing's not centered? Aha, it might be. So if we turn this back on, we set this back to 40. 1, 2, 3, cut. 1, 2, 3, cut. It's not centered. Ugh. I'm back. I had to sneeze and I couldn't find another button. So this will need to be made sharp. Actually, if I go back... Yeah, that needs to be done like that. This, we need to come back to this, then we need to go into this, then we need to go like this. We need to take that piece. You see the cut there is wrong. So we need to take this, go into... That's better, and then that will just get fixed when we add the other side. When we apply this, should I say. Hide all the cutters, because they look not good. And then what I do actually want to do is take you and join them. J. Now you've got actually some stuff to look at. The odds have ended. Good. So that can get set. Is it just me or does that not look straight? Looks bent to me. Hi, how high are you? When it's straight, it just looks really bent. Zoom in and look for offset pixels. To this. Oh, actually I know what you mean. That's a good point. It's definitely straight, it's just me. That won't line up if it's straight. Yes, so this would... I think it's because of that, like the shading there, and because there's a curved object behind, maybe my brain is just warping it. To me, it looks like it's curving down, actually. It's a bit of a weird one. Trick of the light. That was weird. Okay, well, let's never do that again. Q, sharpen, Q. Yeah, these will be fine. Turret, middle. Support.
Going nerds. Hope you had a fantastic.
The Nerds live. I'm going to attempt to stream. Oh, they must have just come live. Yes, they literally just went live. There you go. What have I done with this piece? Okay, so let's go sharpen, sharpen, ever scroll, this. So I think what we do is we turn off that, we go to edit mode, there, let's put on X-ray, select that one, turn off X-ray, GG, GZ. So where does it start looking less like... See there. Yeah. Seven. So do a loop cut 1 is 2 is 3 is 4. You have like 4. So that fixes some of them, but not all of them. A loop cut here towards the edge. The same here. Actually want one through there and one through there. If you put one through the middle of each of them, should solve the problem actually. Then we want to select that Q mark. Nice. Not too bad. Turret, middle. Base, top. All right. So 4 oil cutters. So I need to actually end the stream here because I need to go out, get ready to go to the Thanksgiving dinner. So we'll leave that there where we are for now. Maybe tomorrow I can use a bit of substance matter before my trial expires. Put that there, and we'll find something to raid quickly. Let's see. I guess we can raid the nerds actually. See what else is like. I've never rated 8. Let's do 8 bits. This is part of the stream too. Raid. And today's raid message will just be just raid that one. Raid that one. That one. That will be our raid message today. Thank you everybody for stopping by. We'll be back probably tomorrow, same time, same place. We have a YouTube channel for those who want to see some of the clips from the stream, and we have a Discord if you want to hang out while we're not on the screen. I think that's about it. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day, and we will see you soon. I don't think there's anything else. That's about it. But yeah, thank you everybody for stopping by. We'll catch you soon. Bye, everybody. Bye.